Hi, please watch this short video as it goes over the details for your research assignment for this course. Please notice the very first item here. This is a third semester course in the criminal justice curriculum. It is expected at this time that you have successfully passed English 101 and English 102, as these courses lay the foundation for your success for this research assignment. The directions for the research assignment are posted second. This will be a a PowerPoint or a presentation with video audio support. You must choose from one of these 5 topics. If you do not want to do one of these 5 topics, there's something else that you like, you can contact me and we will visit that issue together. The guidelines are located underneath guidelines. You're to have a 15-minute video, no shorter, no longer. You will include in that video 2 visual or audio aids. Please keep in mind that the maximum time for your video is 2 minutes. And that's within that 15-minute presentation time. You will also have 4 additional academic sources to provide you the content for your presentation, and I'll go over that information with you in just one second. I do want to bring to your information about your sources. You need to use credible academic sources, and I'm going to show you again where to go to get that information in one second. Please try and stay away from Google, and I'll explain to you why in just a minute. I've linked in the directions here a YouTube video on how to create audio within your presentation for PowerPoint, but I've also within the research assignment folder posted a video here for you as well in case that one in the document does not work for you. It's really simple. You will create your PowerPoint presentation. So you have it all created with all your slides down here. When you're ready to record, you go to slideshow, and right here where it says record slideshow, just click on that and start recording from the beginning, and then you move forward through the presentation and support as if you were doing a in-class presentation. So your slide should have minimal information on the actual slide and supplemented with your voiceover. So you're providing the support for your slide through your voice. Your slide shouldn't be jumbled with a lot of words. It should be short and poignant and supported with your audio. Okay. In order to submit your assignment, your actual final assignment, you will have to submit your resources, and I will approve your resources. So I would like for you to use the Delaware Tech Library databases as your resources. Or if you want to go to a .gov or a .edu, that's perfectly fine as well. But I really want you to stay away from .coms. You're not to use your textbook as your academic resource. It can help you find your resource, but you can't actually use your textbook. I want you to stay away from .coms. I really want you to focus on true academic resources. So the Bureau of Justice Statistics, anything the FBI is presenting, an EDU that's presenting, or any of the databases that you see here. When you have your sources picked out, you'll click on the library worksheet. And this is the document. You'll submit all of your resources on this document. What's your topic? What database did you use? And right here where it says APA citation, you're actually going to put the APA citation in this square. This will allow me to review your resource and approve it or give you guidance. Okay, so then you'll continue with authority, explaining to me the credentials of the person who wrote it, how accurate are there citations within the presentation or the material that you're using. Objectivity, it may be objective, it may not, depends on how you're using it. Are you using it for your position, or are you using it to cover the other side of your position? And currency, remember, it's got to be within the last 5 years. If you want to use something that's beyond 5 years, you need to get in touch with me and explain to me why. Otherwise, I'm not going to approve it. So again, within the last 5 years. If it's outside that 5-year time frame, just please get in touch with me and let me know, and we'll talk about it. So you'll see that there's a worksheet for every single resource. So one document, that's all you need to submit. And then at the bottom of this is where you'll do your video or your picture resources as well. Those need to be approved. All right, when you're ready to submit it, you'll just click on Resource Evaluations and attach it like you would in a email. I've also put on here for you an example so you can actually see what a completed document looks like. And I've provided for you for your presentation how to do in-text citation in the slide and how you should do your reference page. You'll notice here on the reference page that it looks like it would look if you were just writing a research project. There's no bullets, there's no numbers, you have reverse indexing. So please make sure that you are following just exactly what it looks like here for you to optimize the maximum points. All right, once you submit your resources by the due date, which is found on your schedule, I will review them. Once you have been approved for all of your resources, then you will be able to submit your research assignment simply by clicking on that button and attaching your PowerPoint presentation or giving me the link to your Prezi.